Hi lovely people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. On today's video, I'm actually starting this vlog with a small grocery shopping haul, and I did this shopping from Naivas because I needed a couple of items, and yeah, I will just quickly take you through it so that I can keep the shopping away and start cleaning. I bought smokies. It has been like forever since I've eaten smokies, so I bought this 1 kg of 22 packs. I also got myself this beef brawn for sandwiches. I love it with cheese, tomatoes and onions with my bread. It's just perfect. I got myself the vinegar. I got salt. I got some coffee sachet over here. I got some pep tang, strawberry jam. I got the go fruit, multi-fruit, and then the other one apple. I got 4 packs of Daima milk. I got festive bread, the white bread, and also the wholemeal bread. I got some soft care baby wipes. I've not used these and they were on promo, so I got that. I also bought a pack of velvet super soft serviettes. I also got these paper towels from Hanan. I got my favorite antibacterial hand wash, which is Fields of Africa. This is the raspberry flavor, is my favorite. I also got my dishwashing paste. I buy this pack, which is economical for me. I also got some red seedless grapes. All these I bought from Naivas, and I got some apples. I got some turmeric. I have some vinegar, apple cider vinegar. I also got some alta wine, and this is specifically for baking. I got some Isinya eggs. I bought these from Food Plus. I bought these dried sultans. I bought these cracked cashew nuts for baking again, and I also bought some dates, which I have clearly started eating, but of course we also baked last night, and I can't wait to share with you the fruit cake, yes, that we made with all these yum ingredients. It's much later after breakfast, and I just want to share with you this speed cleaning as I do some dishes and just putting away some utensils in the kitchen. And we are going to be baking, yes, but on today's video I'm not going to share that fruit cake. I'm just going to be sharing another apple delicious cake, and if you love baking like I do, then stay tuned and keep on watching. As for now, enjoy the cleaning montage in the kitchen, and then we'll head over to the baking vlog. And here is the fun part of the video, and we are starting off with 2 apples, which are going to be a part of the ingredients. These 2 apples, we have peeled them and sliced them like you can see. Then in a pan, I've put on the heat and I'm going to add in some butter. Melt the butter and then add in your sliced pieces of apples. We are also going to use freshly squeezed lemon juice, so I'm adding in that up over there. I'm going to give these a quick stir. The aim here is to make sure that you sweeten and soften the apples. So we are going to saute them for some time, and then we are also going to be adding in some sugar. Make sure you keep stirring them and make sure that they are getting coated with the butter and they are also softening. Once you are done, this is the part where we are going to add in some sugar. This is about 2 spoonfuls of sugar, and then we are going to continue stirring these and make sure that our apples have that tanginess, the sweet and the sour. And then once they are ready, just set them aside in a clean plate. In the next process, we have 2 eggs in a clean bowl. These 2 eggs, we are going to add in sugar. It's like a half cup of sugar. I'm going to link down the ingredients of this cake if you'd love to try it out. I've added in milk as well, and I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of yogurt. This is natural yogurt, don't use any flavored yogurt. And then I'm also going to add in some cooking oil. I'm using cooking oil for this cake recipe because it works perfectly. And I'm also going to add some vanilla essence. So when this is done, just take your whisk, your hand mixer, your mwiko, whatever you mix your cake with, and start mixing your cake. Just make sure that all the ingredients marry in together and you have a good paste. Moving on, we are going to add in our flour, and this is flour we've mixed with baking powder. I'm going to link all the details and the ingredients down below if you'd like to try out this recipe. And then after adding in our flour, remember we are also sifting it so that we want it to have all the air and of course to exclude any impurities that could be on the flour. That's the main reason why you sift it. And then we are mixing it, and you see the butter we are getting already. Our mixture is almost done. Mix, 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 and make sure there are no lumps and there is no parts that don't have a good consistency. So this is the butter you should get if you're using all the measurements that I'm going to be linking in the description bar. This is the baking tin I'm going to be using. I've lined it up with parchment paper and also sprinkled a little bit of flour. So of course this time you have also reheated your oven. This cake cooks from 180 degrees Celsius to about 45-60 minutes, and then it's going to be well baked. So I'm putting in my butter in the baking tin. I'm going to tap it slowly and lightly so that all the bubbles come out and all the air come out. And then this part, remember our apples that we sauteed, we are going to align them up here on the cake. I'm just fetching mine with a spoon, but you can go ahead and scoop them with your hands and organize them here on top of your cake. And so far so good. We've put in our apples and our oven now is heated up nicely, so we are going to put this bad boy in the oven. Our cake is ready and we've just let it rest in the baking tin for about 5 minutes, and then we are going to peel it off from the parchment paper. And look how good it looks. It just browned up so well. The apples also with the little sugar that was up there caramelized up here, and it's just perfect. It's a perfect dessert. You can bake this for your birthday, for your kids, for your family, for whatever reason you want to bake. Definitely go try out this recipe. This is one of the best cakes I've ever eaten, and my sister agrees with me, and we had lots of fun. And I just went ahead and sprinkled a bit of powdered sugar on top of it just to add a bit of twist and some yumminess. And yeah, just look at it. What do you think? Let me know if you're going to try out this recipe and if you're going to enjoy it. So I get to have a baked piece, of course, and I just also want to show you how the cake looks inside. It's fluffy, it's delicious, and look at the texture of the cake. It is light, so just let it cool down and serve it with some tea, coffee, or a glass of milk. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I can't wait to see you on the next vlog. Bye bye guys, and take care of yourself.